The NASCAR world is still trying to process the shocking death of Kyle Busch at just 41 years old. But now Dale Earnhardt Jr. has revealed a heartbreaking behind-the-scenes detail that makes the loss feel even more devastating. Because just one day before Busch's death, the two were texting about a race that fans would have absolutely lost their minds over. Kyle Busch was planning to race one of Dale Jr.'s late model cars in the Cars Tour, and he didn't want just any car. He wanted to run Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s number 8. Hey everyone, welcome back to MotorBiscuit. Kyle Busch's death has sent shockwaves through NASCAR, with drivers, teams and fans all trying to come to terms with the sudden loss of the sport's most talented and polarizing modern era stars. Now, Dale Earnhardt Jr. has opened up about one of his final conversations with Busch, and it gives fans a painful glimpse of what could have been. Speaking on his podcast, Earnhardt revealed that he'd been texting with Busch the day before he died. The conversation wasn't about the past, it wasn't about old rivalries or old races or old memories, it was about the future. Now, Earnhardt said, "I was texting with him the day before he passed away about getting together this Thursday to bring his seat for his late model over to my shop." Now, that seat was planned in the Cars Tour, the late model series co-owned by Earnhardt Jr. that has continued to grow in popularity with NASCAR fans, short track racers and Cup Series stars. But then came the part which really surprised him. Busch had a specific request. He wanted to run the Dale Jr. number 8. Earnhardt continued, he said, and he goes, "I want to run the Dale Jr. 8, and I was like, you got it. That's what's on it right now. We'll run the Dale Jr. 8. For NASCAR fans, that number carries a huge amount of history. The number 8 was the number Dale Earnhardt Jr. made famous during his rise to superstardom at Dale Earnhardt's team in the early 2000s. It was one of the most recognizable numbers in modern NASCAR history. So the idea of Kyle Busch, one of the most successful, controversial, and fiercely competitive drivers of his generation, climbing into that car was exactly the kind of crossover moment fans would have talked about for weeks, and Busch knew it. Earnhardt said Busch responded with a head exploding emoji followed by 2 words: race fans. Even after everything Busch had achieved in NASCAR, he still understood what fans loved. He understood the history, he understood the theatre, and he understood how much it would mean to see him race in Dale Jr.'s number 8. That is also what makes this story so emotional. For years, Dale Earnhardt Jr. and Kyle Busch, they were seen as rivals. They represented different chapters of NASCAR. Earnhardt was one of the sport's biggest stars during the early 2000s, while Busch emerged as one of the most aggressive and naturally gifted drivers of the next generation. They battled on track, they battled for wins, they battled for headlines, and for a long time they were not exactly viewed as close friends, but over the years, that relationship changed. Both drivers developed a deep appreciation for grassroots racing, late models, and the importance of preserving short-track culture. Busch agreeing to race in Earnhardt's Cars Tour program showed just how far that relationship had come. This was 2 NASCAR champions from different eras and different fan bases coming together to give race fans something genuinely special. And that is what makes the final text exchange so difficult to hear now, because this wasn't a conversation about saying goodbye, it was a conversation about what was next. It was about getting a seat fitted. It was about racing. It was about putting Kyle Busch in Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s number 8 and creating a moment that would have immediately become one of the most talked about short track appearances in recent NASCAR memory. Instead, that race will never happen, and the texts now stand as one of the final public glimpses into Kyle Busch's life before his sudden death. For NASCAR fans, Kyle Busch will be remembered as one of the most talented and intense competitors the sport has ever seen. But this story from Dale Earnhardt Jr. shows another side of him. A racer who still cared about the fans, and a racer who, right until the end, was still thinking about the next time he could climb into a race car. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would Kyle Busch running Dale Jr.'s number 8 in the Cars Tour have been one of the coolest NASCAR crossover moments in recent years? And as always, make sure to like the video and subscribe to MotorBiscuit for more NASCAR news and stories.